getting dark out, but before it gets too dark, I want to show you guys where we are in California and the breathtaking view of this small little town. At this point, this view, this landscape, I just love it over the ocean view. I love the ocean, I love seeing the beach, but I just feel like this is just as amazing or even more amazing, and I connect with it better. This is more of like a countryside. You got the country vibe, you got dirt bikes riding everywhere, you got people flying the American flag around. It's a small, you just laid back. It's just, I'm loving this town, guys. I absolutely love this town. We're over by the Sequoia National Forest area. But the plan is to go to a hot spring tomorrow morning if it's not packed. Over by the hot spring, there's some free overnight parking. But now the baby, we gotta get going. Let's go get mommy. Say, mommy, hurry up. Gotta go before it gets too dark. Good morning, everybody. We woke up to beautiful California mountains.
We're in Sequoia National Forest, the town of Caliente.
There's a hot spring down there we're gonna check out. If it looks run down and there's homeless naked people there, I'm not doing it. But if there's no one, it looks clean, I'll dip my toes a little bit. Let's go.
Let's go.
Well, it turned out there were naked people down there. So this following morning we decided to get up super early, and that explains why it's a little darker.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together, it's so beautiful. You and me, we meant to be.
So that was awesome. We got to see the stars, and then we got to change from night to day. It was
awesome.
It was amazing to see the stars, and then all of a sudden, little by little, the sun starts to come up, and now we're kind of watching the
sunrise in the mountains, and the sounds of the river stream.
Oh, it's so relaxing.
It is. It was worth waking up early. I didn't want to wake up.
This is a hot spring to check out. Just know that it's very popular.
Yeah, it's very popular. Since it's so short of a hike, everyone's gonna do it. We're lucky enough to
come this morning. There
was only one other person there,
so,
and they weren't naked. So,
yeah.
So we parked right there. For how many nights? 2 nights. No one bothering us at all. Hardly any cars driving by. It doesn't say it's a parking campsite or anything, but online it says that we can park there, right?
Yeah.
From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together, it's so beautiful. You and me, we meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
I wanted to leave off this video with some encouraging words. Throughout our travels, we've gotten messages from people who aspire to do what we're doing, and they just haven't taken that step to actually do it. There is this fear that's holding them back. If that's you, if you really want to do what we're doing and the only thing that's stopping you is that fear, just do it. Just get out there and do it, because we don't know when we're gonna be gone. We don't know when our last day is gonna be. So the quote that we shared in the video is very encouraging to me. And to sum it up, it basically just says that the real risks in life are the risks that you don't take.
So there's a quote from Anne Frank that I want to share with you. And it goes, "Everyone has inside of him or her a piece of good news. The good news is that you don't know how great you can be, how much you can love, what you can accomplish, and what your potential is." If you're in a point in life where things aren't going the way you want it to, you're having some tough times right now, I encourage you to keep pushing forward. Whatever it is, whatever obstacle or obstacles you're facing right now, know that better days are coming. If you fight through it, you push through it, and you believe in yourself, you're going to look back and it's going to make you a better person. Sometimes we question our true potential, and we are capable of so much more, so much than what we can imagine. And Anne Frank also says about love. If we can love more people around us, strangers, the world will be a better place. Even something as simple as smiling at strangers when you're walking past them on the sidewalk or at a store. Small acts of kindness can go a long way, and it can make our world a better place. So I encourage you, two things here is push forward. If anyone's out there making you feel like you're not worth anything, society, your boss, whoever it is, push through it. Believe in yourself and live the dreams that you want to live. Don't live for anyone else. Like Kari said, we only have one life to live. Live it to the fullest. And the other point that I want to make is love. Love conquers all. We're going to end it at that, and we'll see you on the next video.
Sometimes you need to go and take a step back to see the truth.